Greased lightning. What are you doing, Peter? Still looking for freedom? Still looking for freedom? My little chubby bubby. My little chubby thumper. You want more bottle? You've had plenty, little fat thing. More exercise. Less food. More exercise, less food, buddy. That's what you need. Little munch. He just wants love and food. Love doesn't mean food, Peter, or Thumper. Love doesn't mean food, Thumper. She's my baby boy. And that one's just crazed. He will find freedom one day. I will get out of this cage. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Peter. Peter. His mission in life is to escape Alcatraz. He's a determined little cuss.